In this tutorial I will show you how to make pattern design in Adobe Illustrator. First, we will take the rectangular tool, then we will draw the shape. Choose the gradient color. Go to Object, Path and select Split and Grid. Rows number 15 and columns 10. Press OK. Go to Effect and choose Distort and Transform and select Pucker and Blot. By turning on the preview you will get a pattern like this as soon as we change. You have to do whatever you like best. This is your pattern ready. Subscribe to the channel to see more videos.